Good morning mga ka-Diyosa. Pupunta kami ni Jowa sa breakfast nook. Lalafang kami. How about you, Jowa? Are you ready to eat breakfast? Breakfast tayo. Yes, bago kami mag-tour sa bus. Ay, nako. Tingnan niyo kasarap ang aming breakfast. Kung kagabi, masarap. Masarap din yan. For Jowa. For me. Patatapos lang namin ni Jowa lumafang ng breakfast. Ang dami kong kinain. How about you, Jowa? Do you like your breakfast?
Yeah, it was good.
Where are we going today, my love?
All day. All over Boston.
14 hours. Right, my love? 14 hours?
We'll probably come back in 14 hours.
Yeah. Ito ang labas ng Marriott Hotel. O, diba? Mayaman, nagma-Marriott. The elevator guy. Balik muna kami sa aming room and maghahanda para sa bus trip. Gagalugarin namin ni Jowa ang buong Boston. Hindi ko kayo kasama. Masyado kayong magastos. Ay, nako. Ang ganda pala ng Marriott Hotel. Kasi sanay ako sa Extended America. Yes, kasi gusto ko yung mga Extended America kasi meron silang kitchen. But ito, walang kitchen. Yeah. Pero, pwede akong gumamit ng electricity sa kuwebas tuloy. Apelido ni Joy. Pwede akong gumamit ng kuryente. Yes, may dala kaming stove. Pag nag-init ako ng pagkain, yun ang gagamitin ko. And since ang breakfast, no cooking, kailangan masulit namin yung binayad ni Jowa. Ayaw niya sabihin ko magkano yung binayad niya dito. Lagi na lang siyang secret. Where are we going first, my love?
Half-day city tour.
Yeah.
Boston.
And then,
whatever that is.
And then at night, Ballgate.
The night is game. It's after Sunday.
Magpapalit kami ng outfit ni Jowa. Yes.
Some Charles River tour.
Oh,
whatever that is.
Bongga. Gagamit ako ng tunay na camera.
Then in lunchtime, some market place. Whatever.
Oh my God. 14 hours kami sa labas. Kagaya nga ni sinabi ko kanina.
Starts at 7. It'll probably finish at 10:30 or 11 if it's not extra innings. So it's 8:15 now. We'll probably come back by 11 tonight.
Oh, diba? Grabe. It's cheating day today. I ate a lot this morning.
It's going to be a long day. And it's not supposed to rain.
Kaya kumain ako ng marami ngayong umaga. Nag-cheat ako. Pero hindi ako kumain ng sugar or carbs.
Looking for somebody didn't show up.
But as we are driving by, you'll notice on our left-hand side there are 6 glass towers. And Fernando, we're going to keep driving straight down for several blocks. The 6 glass towers, that is the new. And on our right-hand side, you'll see Boston Harbor, and you'll see that there's a bridge that has rusted open. And that bridge was working up until my college days. It's been a while since that. And Fernando will take the right-hand turn coming up. Past the archway, we've got a beautiful view of the harbor. And directly across, you can actually see Logan Airport there. But when it comes to lobster, starvation food back in the 1600s and 1700s, we used to feed lobster. John Hancock and Sam Adams, their friendship is done, so they are intentionally buried as far away from one another in that burial site. Also on our right hand side, we've got Boston Common. This is the oldest public park in the United States. And as we're driving down, we are driving past what is known as our Freedom Trail. So we're going to see a lot of historic sites that were involved in the lead up to the American Revolution. And on our right hand side, if you turn your head, that's where you'll see the Boston Public Library, our Italian Renaissance, just to the side. We're just starting to make our way into the theater district. And
all right, ladies and gentlemen, we right now are standing in Boston Common. This is the oldest public park in the United States. We have in the oldest neighborhood of Boston, which is the North End. And that's where a man by the name of Paul Revere, he lived there. These are her 8 little ducklings. Their names, they go alphabetically, starting with the letter J. So they go starting Jack, and they go J-K-L. Gloria itself is called Mayquay Production. That's where you've got all those going up and down, looking around. Plus, we have all the college students here that are
making that noise was a thermos, a brand new thermos.
Nag-ihian silang lahat, ako hindi. Ayoko nga, portolet. Pero malinis naman daw.
like I told you, I will take any title I can get. I'm a Bostonian. And if you keep looking at that gold teapot, you'll notice just behind it there's a very large concrete building that says Boston City Hall on it. And Boston City Hall, that's our new version, it has been voted the ugliest government building 10 times since 1969. Again, the good, bad, and the ugly here. And Fernando, we're just going to be driving straight for several blocks. And ladies and gentlemen, as you look onto your left-hand side, you're going to see the oldest burial ground in the city of Boston. This is the final resting place of the original Puritans who came here back in 1630. And the Puritans wanted their own land because they did not like the king being over their church. But as time goes by on the action of the snowball fight, where the soldiers were not sending any snowballs at the kids, but our drunk colonists put rocks in their snowballs. And there were about 120 of them versus 12 soldiers. One of the soldiers will be hit in the head with a rock. When he falls down, his gun goes off. The other soldiers now start firing into the air because they just don't know what is happening. But that leads to 5 people dead on the ground. Drive by, it'll be on our left-hand side. So Fernando, we're just going to be following the traffic in front of us. But we're now at a point, as we get closer, you'll start to see that line in the building. It's right now about 2 blocks in front of our motor coach. It's a red brick building, has a balcony out front. As we get closer to it, you'll start to see at the top of the building, just at the corners of the roof, we have statues of a lion and a unicorn. The lion represents England, and the unicorn represents Scotland. And it's from the balcony that we have out front that we used to have royal decrees that he thinks that this is his motor coach, but it is not. So he must have been told he's looking for a blue bus. It can get confusing. He's trying his best. But Boston, your hometown, same one in England, use it for your new hometown. You're in
house that Paul Revere moved into back in 1770. It was a 90-year-old fixer-upper when he moved in. So our beer into this mixer-upper of a house, 90 years old at that point, back in 1720. There's an obelisk statue. That is the site where the Battle of Bunker Hill takes place. When we're on the motor coach together, I'm going to tell you about that battle. But the Battle of Bunker Hill...
The obelisk statue out there, that marks where the first major battle in the Revolution takes place. And it's 2 months after the battles at Lexington and Concord. And it's a rematch where both sides are looking forward to it. Out Boston Harbor. And ladies and gentlemen, one more time I'm going to put the mic down. If you wouldn't mind following me. You will see we've got our Red Brick Trail, our Freedom Trail.
My love, where are we? What do you call this part?
Where the USS Constitution is located.
Pagod na pagod lang yung Diyos, ha? Si Jowa ayaw tumigil. Nakapagod.
See the harbor. Actually, out in the distance, you'll see that there is a red brick building that has what almost looks like kind of a short lighthouse.
Kakain kami ng lunch ni Jowa sa Quincy Market. Yes, ang ganda dito. Parang Mexico. Ayan siya, oh. Wow! Wait natin si Jowa. Umiihi. Ganda rito. Bagay na bagay sa inyong Diyos, ha? What?
Someday I'm gonna be somebody people love.
Nandyan si Jowa sa loob ng Ben & Jerry. Mag-a-ice cream daw siya. What is that, my little boy?
They didn't have butter pecan. They didn't have Dutch chocolate. So this is chocolate fudge with peanuts.
You like it? You like it? Huh? You like your ice cream? Hey. Resting ulit. Jowa, where are we?
Quincy Market.
Same. But si Jowa,
Quincy Market.
But si
Boston, Massachusetts.
but si Jowa, nakapag-ice cream na. Ako, hindi pa kumakain kasi yung breakfast ko kanina, marami akong tinibag. YMCA! Young man! Kami ang nauna sa loob ng bus ni Jowa. Yes. Alam niyo ba nabili ko? 2 haba ng beads. Ay, Jowa. Yes. He wanted to buy me a small teddy bear. How much is the small teddy bear? I don't need it. Marami na ako nung maliliit na teddy bear. Ang hilig niyan. Remembrance daw. So, sabi ko, gusto mo talaga remembrance? Bibili mo ako ng beads. Kaya binili niya ako ng 2 beads. Mahaba. Tadan! From Ghana. Yes. And now, one more tour. Where is it, my love? Charles River. Yes. And then, papalit kami ni Jowa ng damit. Manonood kami ng baseball. Yes. Diba? Full pack ang araw namin ngayon. Pag uwi namin, tulog ako nito.
My love, where are we going? Another park?
Supposed to go to a Charles River tour.
Yeah. Nakalimutan ko nga. Charles River Tour. Supposed to. Sabi ni Joe. May pa-supposed pa. Ay, naku. Are you tired, perhaps?
Yeah.
Sleepy? Kumain ako. Soup. Yes. Ang sarap. Greek egg with lemon. Ang sarap pala nun. Grabe, sarap. Finally, nandito na kami ni Jowa. Munti kang pang hindi matuloy dahil yung aming tourist guide ay nawawala.
Can you see? Look how low they're sitting in their seats.
Yeah, everything on the bottle. Welcome, guys. Okay, pay attention when you get on the ramp, okay? I don't want to lose you.
We don't definitively know if Mass General is in the top 10, but I think we all know the truth. Now I'll point out one more building on the Mass General campus. It's also on our left. It is the large tan concrete building with the big wooden windows facing us. That is the Massachusetts Eye and Ear Infirmary. And I only point it out because it's built in a style of architecture that you can find all over Boston. The Leechmere Canal up to the campus of Harvard University and back. Along the way, we're going to catch much of Boston's skyline, the colleges, universities in the Boston area, and many of the great bridges here on the Charles River. Now, my name is Sam. I'm going to be your tour guide, and I'm going to be your bartender. The tides of the Charles. These tides used to expose these horrible looking and smelling mud flaps, especially in the Boston neighborhood of Back Bay. But since the first dam, we've been able to keep the Charles at a very consistent water level. It tends to be about 8 feet above mean low tide these days, and it is much nicer both on land and on the water. So just to orient ourselves, everything that we're seeing on our right is the city of Cambridge, and everything that we're seeing on our left is the city of Boston. And if we do look to them, these depict Viking ships. As in the late 1800s, there was a theory going around Boston that perhaps was Leif Erikson and the Vikings were the first Europeans to explore the Charles River and have pink sails. That is Community Boating Inc., the oldest continuously operating sailing school in the United States. Community Boating was founded in 1946, the mission taking sailing from Cambridge. On our right, we're getting a nice view of Boston University's DeWolf Boathouse. This is one of the newest and most expensive boathouses on the Charles River. It was built in 1999 and it cost BU about $5 million in total. History of volunteer management as well. And if you are one of the folks who volunteer their time to keep this place afloat, you are rewarded with free membership and access to that. The most recent change for the Riverside visit. Polaroid sold this building along with a lot of the surrounding land for about $10 million in total. The building went through a series of owners after that, but for the past few years it's been squarely in the hands of Harvard University. See some of their fans. Starting off, right, three identical owners, the columns begin deep darkness, score 1-2. But you can't have a tie in baseball, so they'll never come back the next day. This time they played a nice and easy 19-inning. Boston Braves emerged victorious. The Brooklyn Robins were structured. To get that way, the citizens of Boston could just walk on to the Esplanade really from anywhere. They were close to the water. Sadly, though, after Helen passed away in 1944, the city began work on the road. see on our right. Cutting the Esplanade off from mainland Boston, leaving it only accessible via a series of bridges, one of which we can see on our right side. Warren Towers was built in 1967. Each year is home to a few under 1,800 native students. The vast majority of these
The ramp.
I'll take your
Okay, there you go. Okay. Nancy's tour is going right up the ramp. Watch out, it's a little rock.
You guys got your sea legs yet? Too many margaritas on there?
Did you enjoy?
It was good. It was interesting, and it was pretty good when we got up. We got up to the front of the boat.
Yeah.
First up the doozy.
So fun.
Dito na kami ni Jowa sa baseball game. Tingnan nyo, nagpalit kami ng damit. Daming tao. Boston Red Sox. Bili daw kami ng souvenirs. Ay, naku mga kadyosa, kararating lang namin ng hotel. 11:30 na. Sulit naman ang pagpupuyat namin magjowa dahil nanalo ang Phillies. Talo ang Red Sox. Ay, naku. Bukas, meron ulit na game na baseball. Pero, alas 4 pa ng hapon. Kaya, bukas, tanghali na ako magigising. May libreng breakfast pa rin. Ay, nako. Pero, maglalaboy kami ni Jowa sa ibang lugar bukas. O baka bibili lang kami ng something sa store. Yun na yung pinaka-laboy kasi kailangan namin makabalik. Ay, nako. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Yes. Ako'y mag-sleeping beauty na. Pero maliligo muna ako. Kaya mga kadyosa, signing out na ako. Ako'y hilong kulangot na. Duling na nga ako. Good night. See you ulit bukas.